In the remote mountain forests of Laos and Vietnam, there walks a creature so rare. Some call it a living myth. No zoo has ever held one. No scientist has ever observed it in the wild. And yet, this elusive animal leaves behind whispers, in hoofprints, camera traps, and fading legends. This is the Saola, and its story might vanish before the world truly hears it. The Saola, pronounced Saola, is one of the most mysterious large mammals on Earth. Discovered by science in 1992, it was an astonishing find. A new species of forest-dwelling bovid, unknown to the world. With long parallel horns and gentle eyes, it resembles an antelope, but is actually more closely related to wild cattle. It lives exclusively in the Annamite Mountains, on the border between Laos and Vietnam. A rugged region shrouded in mist and dense evergreen forests. What makes the Saola so unique? For one, it is so rare that it has earned the nickname Asian unicorn. In more than 3 decades, fewer than a dozen have ever been seen by humans. No photos exist of a Saola in the wild, and none have survived long in captivity. Their biology remains a puzzle. Their numbers, unknown. But experts believe only a few dozen, perhaps a few hundred, still exist. In the natural world, tigers and leopards are the Saola's potential predators. But these threats pale in comparison to another: human snares. Thousands of wire traps line the forest floor across Southeast Asia, set for wild boar or deer, but mercilessly catching anything that passes. Even the rarest animals, even a creature like the Saola. These snares are often invisible until it's too late. And because the Saola is so reclusive, its suffering often goes unnoticed. There is no vocal cry, no stampede. Just silence and an empty forest. What baffles scientists is how little we know. The Saola is not migratory, it's not loud, it leaves behind almost no signs. It's a master of invisibility, and that makes conservation incredibly difficult. How do you protect what you cannot see? If you've made it this far, you're one of the few who truly care. We make these videos to bring rare animals like the Saola into the light. If you'd like to support this mission, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, and it helps us keep telling the stories that the world often forgets. But not all hope is lost. In Laos and Vietnam, dedicated teams are deploying camera traps, tracking footprints, and working with local communities to protect the Saola's habitat. There are even plans for a Saola conservation breeding center, a place where, one day, these forest ghosts might be brought back from the brink. But time is running out. The Saola doesn't roar. It doesn't demand our attention. It walks softly, disappears quickly, and survives only where the forest is still whole. If we lose it, we lose not just a species, but a living connection to the mystery of nature itself. Let us not wait until silence is the only sound left in the trees.